Multi-slide doors offer more flexibility and daylight, as well as significantly larger clear openings that provide generous views of the outdoors. Panels glide smoothly and can stack open or pocket neatly into the wall. Units are available in sizes up to 24 feet wide by 10 feet tall in many operational configurations, including 90-degree corners. Multi-slide door panels are available in sizes up to 4 feet wide by 10 feet tall. Each panel uses its own sill track, so as more panels are added to the unit, the sill depth increases, requiring a thicker connecting wall. Hardware options include handle types ranging from contemporary, such as the narrow flush bowl handle, to traditional styles like the lead panel handles. Each style is available in a variety of finishes to match your decor. Pocketing panels will require a flush style handle to operate properly. Automation can also be integrated into these large door systems, allowing you to open, close, and lock your doors with the push of a button. For more information about multi-slide door options and configurations, visit the product pages on our website or contact your local Kolbe dealer.